At first glance, all asteroids look the same, and don't get much attention. In reality, these ancient space mountains still surprise astronomers with their origins, bizarre behavior, and effects on the planets. Let us explore those amazing discoveries about asteroids. Number 1. Six-tailed asteroid. Comets are famous for their fiery tails, but one asteroid outshines them all. In 2013, the Hubble telescope revealed an unknown phenomenon in the solar system's asteroid belt, a space rock with tails. For asteroids to develop comet-like dust trails is unheard of, and incredibly, this one flaunted 6 glowing tails. Number 2. The Wrong-Way Asteroid. In 2015, astronomers found a bizarre boulder among Jupiter's Trojans, which shares Jupiter's orbit, but moves in the opposite direction of every planet, the Sun, and 99.99% of solar asteroids. Since reverse paths spell an almost inevitable collision, other retrograde asteroids avoid planets. But not BZ. With every orbital lap, it comes dangerously close to Jupiter. No other planet in the solar system owns an asteroid that behaves in this manner. Every time the pair orbits the Sun, the asteroid passes inside, and then outside of Jupiter. Each turn's gravitational tug cancels out the other, and this keeps the asteroid out of harm's way. Number 3. The million-year volcanic eruption. One rock stimulated the Earth to erupt for as long as 1,000,000 years. Measuring 15 kilometers 9 miles, it hit Canada 1.85 billion years ago in the Sudbury Basin. The resulting damage left the second biggest crater found. Thus far, with a diameter of roughly 150 to 260 kilometers, 93 to 161 miles. The rocks at the site were different enough to show that continual, volatile eruptions produced them. The process lasted an incredibly long time, from hundreds of thousands of years to 1,000,000 years at most. Number 4. Martian tornadoes. Asteroid impacts can whip up extreme weather, and not just on Earth. In this case, they spawned frightening tornadoes on ancient Mars. It turns out that an asteroid had hit the red planet in the past. After the asteroid vaporized itself and tons of material from the surface, air was forced from the crater at supersonic speed. Traveling at more than 800 kilometers per hour, 500 miles per hour, these plumes surfed just above the surface. This type of wind phenomenon on Mars is unique to asteroid arrivals, and won't occur again until the next one hits. Number 5. Protoplanet building blocks. The second largest asteroid in the solar system, Vesta, is special. Apart from being an asteroid, it's also the last remaining protoplanet from the solar system's beginnings. Vesta is approximately 525 kilometers, 326 miles wide, but its inner structure doesn't match that of other asteroids. Instead, like Earth and Mars, it is a core of iron and nickel, and a rocky surface. At one point, a violent impact carved a crater near the southern pole and ejected the Vestoids.